fucking the crackers up. Just play some old school shit. Your answer, please.
Look behind you, dude. Behind you.
Why so serious?
Oh, you got me on the cam. You got me on the cam for the two guys.
Yeah.
You know, a little behind the scenes for the you feel me?
Yeah, hell yeah, hell
So
yeah.
we are currently, what's the term? Bullshitting. You feel me? You know.
Great
She
choice
plays.
of words.
She played a couple bangers. You feel me? I played some heat. You feel me? It's a difference between
Yeah, they had us the first half. I'm not gonna lie.
heat and a banger, though.
Oh.
You feel me?
What's the difference between a heat and a
feel me?
banger?
You notice I ain't recording because I ain't gonna say that on my shit. You feel me?
Oh.
What do you mean by that?
It's a difference between heat and a banger. You feel me? You wake up and listen to heat,
Right.
but you don't listen to the banger until you get your day started.
Okay.
You feel me? She played a couple day starters.
Oh.
I just played some shit. You feel me? I'm playing while I'm brushing my teeth type shit.
Oh, okay.
You feel me?
Okay, okay. Yeah,
You
yeah.
feel me? I just woke up. You feel me? So I'm currently looking for a banger. You
Okay.
feel me? It's getting a little tight. It's getting a little. I might have to, get her to go first, and then I'll feed off of that type shit. But she
Right.
not bulging up. You feel me? She a Sagittarius, so she like watching me suffer.
Three
you feel me?
Sages. You feel
You
me?
feel me? But we gonna figure it out.
Okay.
You feel me? We these shits,
What's up, fool?
Motherfucker. Morasica.
If you don't get your...
You record me and CD sheet me.
Okay. So I just played my song, featuring my boy Noob, Restless Nights, you feel me?
Okay. Spliffy, my boy.
You feel me? A little self-promo.
She look
You feel
groovy.
me? I had to grab my fan base's heart real quick. They heard that song already in the original reaction. They heard it on SoundCloud. They heard it on YouTube. You feel me? I had to snatch my fan base back at the end. You feel me?
Okay.
It was somewhat of a cop out. You feel me? Get them to feel bad for me a little bit. You feel me? But
Okay.
I think I would judge his decision. You feel me? I'm a little confident. I'm a little cocky. And I think that was a banger.
Definitely was a
Okay.
banger in my opinion. Definitely was a banger.
I think it was a banger.
And I'm very upset with myself because I didn't finish that song this morning. Because I would have beat your ass with that one. But
She said.
for my, bonus, hey, definitely was a banger. Definitely was a banger. And can't deny it, won't deny it. Shall not deny it.
Not.
You feel me? But I think I'm ready to play my song now, Cuddy. So you feel me?
429 players. You feel me?
I need to drop my shit.
You feel me?
on.
That top
Okay. Check them out. Yeah.
song, you see that? That's our song. 429 players. You feel me? That ain't. You feel me? That ain't there for no reason. You feel me? One person can't do that.
Oh, one more time. Let me get it one more time.
You feel me? 429 players. You feel me? And that's just on SoundCloud. Something slight. You feel me?
Okay.
Feel me? First collab ever. You feel me? Jeez. Unreleased.
Shout out to my bro behind the camera right there that you are currently seeing me on. The camera that you're currently seeing me on right now. Yeah, you watching through this screen. Shout out to that person that's currently directing this. Because
Shout out the game. You feel me?
shout out to him.
We gonna get this shit jumping too.
My other bro, shout out to them, and
feel me?
also shout out to me. I would like to dedicate this song to myself too. As a blessing.
It's a lot of subscribers and views between the three of us right now. You feel
And
me?
as I'm saying this to your camera, can I please say this to your camera too?
Okay, absolutely. You feel me?
Okay, I am blessed and honored to be able to present my final and bonus song. Congratulations to me and my kid. We have a whole lot of things to accomplish. So, without further ado, I really do appreciate your song, and you shall not let that song pass nothing in your playlist. Okay, so you too. DJ, drop the fucking beat.
Bro, they hit me with that collab, bro. Really, my guy?
Shit, she fucked me up with this one too.
Fuck.
We want that song.
Oh, that's what make it.
Nah, we ain't the same. I've been focused on the money. I don't fuck about no bitches. If niggas looking for me, I be out here doing business. What's the problem? I'm a solid. If you started, I'ma finish. Riding with the same real niggas turn you to a pendant. I'm a piece of fake shit and I'm a motherfucking ended. All this money in my mind and I done already fucking spent it. You a gang member, I don't bang it, I still get it. But I be bothered with the mind, they don't set it on the fucking front. We are not the same, you here to hit, I'm here to fucking win. They wanna see you lose, but in your face, and I can fucking friend. Good, then I'm good. If I got it, then you got it. If we boom, we gonna live whatever to the fucking end. When come again, I'm on my way, I'm in the wind. I'm here to stay, I'm here to win. You here to hate, you want to hate. Freestyle that shit! Yeah.
Oh,
It's the vision.
hit me with the banger, my guy. Yo. Oh, that sleep on him, man. Hit me with the unreleased. Hit me with the unreleased, bruh. Hit me with the unreleased, bruh. It's not even mixed and back. They didn't even do a little
Back
song
at?
yet, bro. What? This is raw and uncut right now, bro.
The hipster shit starting to become viral shit, like all the old songs are starting, you feel me? But like, bro, it's the old Jersey niggas like that really put the work in, that's just now start, you feel me?
Yeah.
All the songs that we listening to like now, but we been listening to, you feel me? Like, bro, like that nigga, you feel me? We had that song like years of shit ago, but some of them shits I ain't listen to, you feel me? I ain't gonna cap and shit, but you feel like other songs, bro, other shit, but I'm like, damn, bro. Like, bro, like we could have started that trend, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, you.
Yeah,
Like,
but I give them credit because they got it. They jumped there. They jumped on camera. You feel me? They jumped on camera and kept doing it until somebody was like, "Fuck it, let's share it." You feel me?
Shit, bro. But like I said, bro, that Jersey beat to get you far, bro. Like, you can take that shit anywhere, bro.
I'll rap on that shit right now, bro.
I'm ready for my song.
Okay, we here. All right, listen, that was crazy. They both got crazy on that. The Ox Chord, listen, Nanny Crib, damn. Jersey Pay, her uncut, her unreleased, unmixed, unmastered, you know what I mean? Then he play his joint, you know what I mean? Hey, listen, that shit was crazy. You gotta get with him. You got to get with him. Shout out to Half-Hearted Vibe. Subscribe to the channel, Trendsetter Vibes Life.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
Subscribe to the channel, YSN Trend Music Channel.
And also shout out to me. I would like to dedicate this song to myself too.
Subscribe that, you know what I mean, the vision. You will see more of that, you feel me? Vision hoops, skits, you feel me? I'm getting everything ready for a movie. Yeah, you heard it, and I ain't playing. Ain't nothing stopping me. Music, I'm working on it. Grind, you feel me? You can't go wrong, man. Just keep grinding. But you will get more. You can get more of the Ox Chord battles. You know what I mean? I'm gonna jump in there. I might have to, yeah, you know what I mean? You think they ready for me?
Racks don't fold, so how I move makes hella sense.
They ain't ready for me, for real. Oh yeah, I'm in the mall, man. What we did a prank at, that shit was funny. That's on the way too. You feel me? It's better to come. But you can't lose with that shit though. You feel me? It's like, whatever you want to do, just do it. First, take the time to work on yourself. Understand yourself. Then, don't stop, man. Just don't stop, man. Never worry about what the next man say. Be able to take constructive criticism. Be able to take that shit. So what? You feel me? Just stay focused, man. Because don't nobody in this world really want to see you make it for real, like you, or people that's really for you, that's pure. You feel me? Keep them around. But what else? Stay tuned, man.